Hi, I'm Shara with IB English. Be happy! Let's read together and let's be happy! Let's start! 今日はアリとハトのお話しますをしましょうか。Ready? The ant and the pigeon. An ant came down to a pond to drink some water. He mistakenly slipped into the pond and was almost drowning. A pigeon that happened to see the entire event broke a small tree branch off of a tree and dropped it into the spring. The ant climbed up onto the branch and saved his own life. Shortly after that, the bird hunter came and tried to hunt the pigeon. The ant noticed what the hunter wanted to do and thought that he should do something to stop the hunter from hunting the pigeon. He bit the hunter on the foot with all his force. His bite successfully made the hunter jump up and yell, which made it possible for the pigeon to fly away safely. What's the moral? Help others who have helped you. That's all for today. See you next time. And remember, be happy. See you.
最後までご視聴いただきありがとうございます。面白かったらチャンネル登録とグッドボタンをよろしくお願いします。次回もお楽しみに。Be happy!